Good morning, students. In today's video, we will discuss the process of communication. In some books, you will find the topic as elements of communication process. वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. फॉर दिस टॉपिक यू मे रेफर द बुक ऑफ अरुणा कोनेरो एंड C.B. Gupta. As is visible on your screen, first of all, we will discuss the meaning of process of communication. The process of communication is described in terms of what the sender desires to convey and what is actually received by the receiver. The process of communication is the interrelationship between several interdependent components which makes up the process of communication. It consists of a series of related actions and reactions which together result in the sharing of meaning. Next, we will see the diagram for the communication process as is visible on your screen. This is also known as model of communication process. As you can see on your screen, the various components are shown in the form of sender, message, encoding, channel of medium, receiver, and decoding. These are connected with the help of feedback, which is necessary to make the communication complete. And all this process is hampered by the noise. Now we will discuss these components one by one. Sender. Sender is a person or an event. It refers to the source of message and the person who wants to transmit it for some purpose. Next is the message. A message means what is being communicated. It may be verbal or non-verbal. Message is taken as the heart of communication. Message refers to a piece of information spoken or written to be passed from one person to another. Next we have encoding. Encoding is the function of symbolizing a message in words or pictures. Next we have channel of medium. A channel is the means used to convey the message. Next is the receiver. Receiver is a person who receives the message and interprets it. Next we have decoding. Decoding is the function of interpreting and understanding the message. Feedback, which is considered as the most important part of the communication process. It is the response a receiver sends back to the sender after receiving the message. Feedback is the check on how successfully the message has been communicated. It is also determined to what extent the receiver has understood the message. Feedback can also be verbal or non-verbal. Next, we have noise. Noise is defined as the unnoticed and unidentified interference in the communication process. It causes hindrance in the transmission of the message or the reception of the message. It distorts the interpretation or the decoding part of the communication process. It spoils the quality of communication. It may take place at any stage in the communication process and it creates problems in communication. So all these steps together frames the communication process. For the details of various elements of communication, you may also refer the table as visible on your screen. This table has been taken from the book of Aruna Konero. The all elements are described in detail in this table. Thank you.